I am with Julien Nicollin, CEO of Nicomatic, a French company at Aero India. Julien, what is it that you are launching today and how important and how technological it is?
Hello. So I'm here today to witness the launching of AMM. It's a connector, a 1mm pitch connector, dedicated for the aerospace. What is very unique about this product, it's a 1mm pitch connectors with absolutely crazy technical features. It can withstand more than 200 degrees C, 5 amps, and vibration, shock. And the thing that is really important for us today is that it's the first connectors that is made in India. The first time for us, a French group, that we switch the R&D, the production in the assembly line in India. So it's a good move because we think that Nicomatic India and the market in India is just booming, and we want to be part of this journey.
I now ask Vijay Ananth, Chief Operating Officer, Datta Patterns, about this new technology being acquired, the 1mm pitch connector, how important it is.
Yeah, first of all, I congratulate Nicomatic for bringing out this connector. And from our perspective, Nicomatic connectors are very reliable and cost effective for very high quality demanding applications. And we're very happy that they're going to set up the production facility here to produce the products here. And it is important in terms of our integration and making the product smaller and smaller. And as he mentioned that it is going to have withstand very high quality environmental stress requirements. This will help us to build our products with a very high confidence on the connector. And this will help us to go for a long journey with them. And wish them all the best. And I'm very happy to be part of this.